Okay, got the gold paper. Hey guys, it's Jason, founder of Jason Markk, and today I've got something super special to share with you guys. In my hands, I've got the Aleali May 14 Lows, the Fortunes. Aleali has been a day one supporter of JM, and she sent these over for us to take a first look at her newest Jordan collaboration, which is like her 5th or 6th collab. I don't even know what number this is, but very excited to get into it. First thing, let's check out the box. So I love seeing Aleali's logos all over the box with the Jumpman logo. It's just super cool to see. I'm sure that never gets old for her, never gets old for me seeing her logo next to the Jumpman. And I love that she chose to do the Jordan 14. It looks great on court and off court, and I'm excited to see her take on the 14. Let's get into it. Okay, got the gold paper. Damn, she killed it. This is super, super fire. First thing that pops out to me are the marbled green and gold accents. I really love that because it's reminiscent of gold jewelry with jade pendants. That kind of hits home for me. Really soft, buttery suede. It's got this grayish, kind of taupe-ish, soft, buttery suede all in the upper. And I love the black sock liner. Something about black sock liners for me is amazing. I love it because it doesn't get dingy off the first wear, and it just makes it feel a little bit more wearable to me. But the whole shoe is just wearable. It's got just enough of the green and gold to make it pop off, but it's also got a nice subdued base, which is it's nice. Like for me personally, it's got to be wearable. I like designs that are a little bit more timeless. I can't get into like the real like loud sneakers. It's not my style, but this is definitely the perfect combo. I think the perfect kind of sweet spot for that. It's got some more gold accents on the aglets, and it also comes with a pair of extra laces, and I love that. I love when shoes come with extra laces. I mean, doesn't seem like a big thing, but I love when you have an extra pair of laces because when you swap the laces out, it feels like a new shoe. Damn, Aleali, congrats. This is a beautiful shoe. I think you killed it. I don't think you could have done anything. I think you hit it right on the nose, and congrats, thank you. So these drop in August, and if you're planning to cop, you're gonna need to know how to care for these. So I'm gonna walk you through what products you'll need. First, our ready-to-use foam paired with our premium brush. So the ready-to-use foam is already pre-mixed, it's quick and easy, and it won't oversaturate the suede. The premium brush is perfect because this is a delicate material. It's a premium material, so the soft hog bristle works well and won't damage the material. And then you got our suede kit here. Again, all suede upper. The suede kit is a no-brainer, so make sure you have that. And then lastly, you want to be proactive and protect the shoe like this. So use our Repel, give it a once or twice over, and you'll be good to go. All right, there you have it, the Aleali May 14 Lows. Aleali, we love you. Appreciate you supporting and sending these out for us to check out early. Go and support her and go cop your pair. Follow us at Jason Markk and let us know what pairs you want us to cover next. Until next time, we'll see you. Peace.